Hello, Team Oasis. Welcome to a video from the road with Britt and Betsy Weaver.
Hello.
We are in a little bit of a traffic jam on our journey down to the Frisco, Texas area for Leadership School 2015. We just wanted to take a second and check in and to say thank you for all of your hard work that has helped us get to Leadership School, and we hope to see lots of you here with us next time we come. Having said that, if you are looking at Success School in August, now's the perfect time to get your tickets purchased, start making your hotel reservations. You guys, Success School is life-changing. If you want to grow your business, if you want to see Advocare take you places, that is the place you need to be. Britt and I already have our hotel reservations, we've purchased our tickets, and we would love to have you along with us for the ride. We'd love to sit with you at AT&T Stadium and just help you absorb all the great information that you get there. We also wanted to shout out to our Summer Slim Down participants. Your 24-day challenge ends next Wednesday, so this weekend's a great time to start thinking about what your next goals are going to be. We'd love to help you decide what products to stick with and what products to add. So we'll be getting in touch with you each individually over the next few days to help you make those choices and continue on your journey to meet your goals. Also want to let you guys know that if you want in on what's happening this weekend and to hear about the new products and new tools that are being launched here at Leadership School, follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. The two hashtags are hashtag #AdvoLeadership and of course hashtag Team Oasis. I will be sending out lots of updates to make sure everybody gets all the good information in a timely manner, and we love sharing that kind of stuff with you, so we'll make sure you have everything you need to know. So as we listen to the rain come down and we drive 5 miles an hour through southern Oklahoma, we just wanted to stop for a second and say hey. So hope everyone has a great weekend, and we can't wait to share all that we learn with you.